Welcome family, welcome new family members. Today we're going to make classic scalloped potatoes and ham. Come join me. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to turn our oven on to 350 and we're going to spray a casserole dish here. I use olive oil spray. Okay, we got that done. And to make things easier for me, last night after work, I cut up 6 potatoes, sliced them up, and I put them in cold water all night in the fridge. I also cut up my onions, and I cut up ham. Now it calls for 1.5 cup of cubed ham, but I like a lot of ham, so we'll probably end up putting this whole thing, which is probably a lot more than, it's probably doubled. We'll see. Okay, what we're going to do first is we're going to melt 3 tablespoons of butter. We're going to use 4, but we're melting the 3 first. And we're going to be cooking the onion in the butter. I hope you guys are having a good day. Is everybody having a good day? I am too. Feeling much better. Doctor changed up the allergy medication so I'm not falling asleep in the daytime. So, things are looking up. God is good. I can get you closer here without bumping we don't want to bump the camera again like I did in my last video. I'm just using a Betty Crocker recipe, so I haven't made this in a long time. Okay, I'm just melting the butter here. Alright, we've got our butter melted. Now it calls for about 1/4 cup of onion. So I'm going to put that in there. Save these. So it's always nice to have these on hand in the fridge. Already chopped. I don't know if anybody over on the YouTube channel Carter's Eat, I got that cutter sauce that she is selling now. Oh, it is so yummy. Chicken or fish, whatever, but it is so yummy. I'll try to remember and put her website on her channel in the description. It's called Carter's Eat. Okay, we're just gonna cook these until they're tender. Doesn't take too long. I am really excited. I have 4 days off. Basically, I'm officially on vacation here. Had a good day at work. Wasn't a real long day because I had my follow-up at the doctor, but nothing better than the smell of onions. I really like the smell. Yeah, it's really nice to be able to smell really well again. So since I've been on the medication, I'm able to smell a lot. I'm not getting rid of my dog, which we suspect that part of the allergy is my dog, and my plants outside, and my indoor plants, but I just, I can tolerate this. I'm not getting rid of my child. Okay, now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of flour. I'm going to stir that around for a while. Get that, you got to get the flour cooked a little bit. And I'm going to add some pepper and a little bit of salt. I don't usually use what the recipe calls for. And I'm going to add some garlic powder. Okay, now I am going to slowly add 2.5 cups milk. I'm going to get my whisk. And if you want to add cheese to it, you can, which I might add a little. There's the 2.5 cups of milk. Just going to let that come to a boil. I'm going to turn it up just a little bit. Okay, I want that to cook a little bit, so we're going to move you back here. Okay, now we're going to add the potatoes. And we're going to add probably not all of this. Now we're going to give that a mix. Once I mix it up, I'll know if I have enough ham. And I'm going to add just a little bit of cheese. Just a little bit. And that you don't have to add the cheese, but I guess I just made it au gratin potatoes, but that's okay. All right, now it's thickened up. Now we're just gonna pour this over this. We're just going to add about a tablespoon of butter, just dotted on there. I'm going to add a little bit more. And now I'm going to cover it. And I'm going to bake this for 30 minutes. Then we're going to uncover it and bake for another approximately 1 hour, 10 minutes until your potatoes are done, depending on your oven. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, we are going to take the foil off of the pan, uncover it, and put it back in for an hour, hour and 10 minutes until it's done. Okay, this is done. The potatoes are done, soft. Now I'm going to let it sit before I cut into it.
What's that in my pocket? Do you want that? Is that a fatty? Oh, I don't know. Oh, should she have it? It's really big. Do you want it? Do you want the nummy num? I'm frozen. I can't move. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I can't throw it. Oh, you trying to throw it?
Thanks for joining me today for scalloped potatoes and ham. Well, with cheese, so it could be au gratin potatoes. It's been smelling really good. I could smell that ham and that onion. Oh, filled the house with it. Very good. I gotta have a bite with ham in it. It's been too long since I've had this. My husband was really excited. So I want to thank you for subscribing, and I'm so appreciative of all of you. My family, you're my family. You're not just subscribers, you're family. And remember that I pray for you every day. And we'll see you next time for something different. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.